To integrate PayPal payments to your Shopify store, follow these easy steps. First, you need to have a PayPal business account and a Shopify store. If you do not have a PayPal business account, create one by going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process. Next, log in to your Shopify store and navigate to the settings page. Then click on Payment Providers. In the Payment Providers page, click on Add Payment Provider and search for PayPal. Click on PayPal and then click on Add Payment Provider. You will be redirected to the PayPal website where you will be asked to log into your PayPal account. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize Shopify to connect to your PayPal account. Click on Agree to authorize the connection. After authorizing the connection, you will be redirected back to your Shopify store. In the Payment Providers page, you will see PayPal listed as a payment provider. Click on PayPal to configure the settings. In the PayPal settings page, you can configure the payment settings such as the payment action, which can be either authorize or capture. The authorize action allows customers to place orders without immediately charging their cards, while the capture action charges the customer's card immediately after the order is placed. You can also configure the payment capture, which allows you to capture the payment manually or automatically. To test the PayPal payment method, go to your Shopify store and add a product to the cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as the payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. After completing the payment, you will be redirected back to your Shopify store and you will receive an order confirmation. This confirms that the PayPal payment method has been successfully integrated to your Shopify store. It is essential to test the PayPal payment method to ensure that it is working correctly and to avoid any issues with customer payments. By following these easy steps, you can integrate PayPal payments to your Shopify store and start accepting payments from customers worldwide.